Hey everyone, what I'm going to do here is explain the instructions on how to complete the Dynasties of China digital flipbook. Now, first things first, I'm going to go through the classwork assignments and go down and find the master slides first. And I'm going to click on those master slides, so I pull those up in a different window. Go back to the classwork. I'm going to click on the student slides as well so that I have both assignments open. I'm just referring to the master slides for further instructions. All right, but all the work is going to be completed in your own student slides, just like the warm-up. All right, so right here for the master slides, directions say use your notes and other assignments to complete the following on your digital flipbook. Follow the directions for each flipbook page. So for the cover, all you're going to do is merely add two pictures that you search for. So I can go over here and type in yin yang sign. You don't have to use the yin yang sign, but you can. And just like we do with our warm up, you will copy that, go back to your own student slide, and on the cover, you will add that. You can go back here and type in Great Wall of China or any other image that you think is relevant. I'm going to choose this one, copy it, and go back to my cover page on the student slides. And there you have it. First one is done. All right. So we already had the title and we inserted two illustrations. And we also have our dynasties all listed as so. All right. We move on to the second one. We're going to be covering the Sui dynasty or the Sui dynasty. Okay. If we go here on the master slides, it says what was built and why was it important. Make sure you use complete sentences. We'll also add an image that goes with the information you wrote down. Now, if you remember, we talked about the Sui dynasty many assignments ago, feels like, but they were covered, I believe it was the China dynasty's period of disunion. If you go to these notes, it will show you where it talks about the Sui dynasty. And what they are known for. It's actually right here. The Sui dynasty. And it says right here in the second bullet point, during this time, the Grand Canal is built. Grand Canal linked northern and southern China. So what you're going to do is right here remember, we're answering this question. What was built and why was it important? We can say or write something like during the Sui dynasty, the Grand Canal was built, which linked northern and southern China together. And I will add also the Grand Canal allowed the Chinese to trade more efficiently because they could access rice and wheat from the ships, or we'll say boats traveling the Grand Canal. All right. So that answers our question, and what we can do is just merely search Grand Canal. Nice picture of the Grand Canal. Copy that one. And we are going to insert that picture to our slide. And there you have it. We added an image that goes with the information that we wrote down. All right. Move on to the next one, the Tang Dynasty. Go to our master slides. For this one, it says list all the achievements created or invented. Use complete sentences and then add an image that goes with the information you wrote down. Again, we talked about the Tang Dynasty in these same notes. All right, so you're going to find something that the Tang achieved. Woodblock printing, gunpowder, silk was created and traded, as well as a magnetic compass. And if you remember completing the Cornell notes, you wrote these down. 1, 2, 3, 4 things that were achieved during the Tang Dynasty. Again, you're answering, list all the achievements created or invented. See right here, the Tang Dynasty created the following. Number 1, wood block printing. Number 2, to go back, we had gunpowder. We had silk. And we had a magnetic compass. All right. Add an image that goes with the information. You don't have to add a picture for all of them, but you can just merely choose one. I'm going to choose this one right here, which is a magnetic compass. And I will add that to my slide. Easy enough, right? Move on to the Song Dynasty. What advances in agriculture were made and how did it help farming? List all the achievements that the Song Dynasty created or invented, and also add an image that goes with the information. So there's 3 things here that you must incorporate onto your own slide. And again, the Song Dynasty is going to be within those same notes. All right. So make sure you are accessing the notes by answering the requirements. The Yuan Dynasty. Describe what the Mongol people were like and insert an image that represents them. The Yuan Dynasty is not going to be found in those notes, but it is actually going to be found in the section 3, Confucianism and Government notes. Okay, so again, make sure you are going through here, collecting the pertinent information that you need and including it into the student slides. The last one is the Ming Dynasty. That is going to be listed during the Ming Dynasty assignment, which is right here. And you will just merely need to access that assignment, and it will allow you to compile the necessary information. All right. And then, as always, make sure you go back to the assignment in Google Classroom and turn it in. All right. I hope this helps. And make sure you complete this assignment. As always, if you have any questions, let me know.